Kareena Kapoor, born the 21st of September 1980, is a popular Indian actress who has been a successful leading lady in Bollywood films since 2000. She is known for her performances in a variety of films, from romantic comedies to crime dramas, and is recognized for her powerful presence and comic timing. The daughter of actors Ranbir Kapoor and Babita Shivdasani, and the younger sister of actress Kareena Kapoor, Kareena Kapoor is often known as Bibo. Family background: father, Ranbir Kapoor, actor; mother, Babita Shivdasani, actress; sister, Kareena Kapoor, actress. Family heritage: she is a member of the Kapoor family, which includes her great-grandfather Prithviraj Kapoor and paternal grandfather Raj Kapoor. Career debut: she made her Bollywood debut in 2000 with the film Refugee, and won a Filmfare Award for her debut film. Success: she achieved success with films like Kavi Khushi Kavi Gam, Jab We Met, and established herself as one of the top actresses in Bollywood. Recognition: Kareena Kapoor is a powerful on-screen actress. Thank you.